In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy stocks on Robinhood using the website. Whether you're new to investing or just want a quick refresher, I'll walk you through every step of the process so you can make your first purchase with confidence. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log into your Robinhood account on their official website. Open up your web browser, head over to the Robinhood homepage and enter your login credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be greeted with your portfolio dashboard, where you can see your existing investments and account information. Next, take a look toward the top of the page for the search bar. This is where you can find any stock you're interested in purchasing. Simply type in the name or stock symbol of the company you want to invest in. As you type, Robinhood will suggest matches. Click on the correct stock from the drop-down list once you see it. This will bring you to the stock's details page. Here, you can review important information like the current price, charts showing how the stock has performed over time, and news related to the company. If you need more context before buying, feel free to browse through this data. When you're ready to move forward, look for the Trade button, usually located in a prominent spot on the page. Click Trade, then select Buy from the available options. This will open the order entry panel for your purchase. Now it's time to decide how much of the stock you want to buy. Robinhood allows you to enter either a dollar amount or specify the number of shares. For example, if you want to invest $20 or purchase 2 shares, just type that in the respective field. Make sure to review the estimated number of shares you'll receive or the total purchase amount, so everything is correct before proceeding. Before placing your order, take a careful look over the order details. Check the price, the amount you're spending, and the number of shares you're about to purchase. Verifying this information helps you avoid any mistakes and ensures that you're comfortable with your investment. Once you've reviewed everything, click the Review button. This will give you one final chance to double-check your order summary. Finally, if all looks good, click Submit to place your buy order. Robinhood will process your transaction, and you should see a confirmation shortly thereafter. And that's it. You've now completed the process of buying stocks on Robinhood's website. Remember, investing always involves some risk, so take some time to research your choices before you buy. If you have any questions, Robinhood's Help Center is a great resource for additional information. Good luck with your investing journey.